Hello, today I'm doing a Borderlands taste test. So I guess let's just get started. So first is going to be the first Borderlands game, originally released on the PlayStation 3. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Okay. Okay, it's not too bad. So this is what the game looks like here. Yeah, no, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I got really nothing to say about that one. It's pretty good. Do a little palate cleanser so we can get the proper experience with all of them. Alright, now we are going on to Borderlands 2, also originally released on the PlayStation 3 here. Okay. It definitely has potential to be better than the first one. So, that is the Borderlands 2 disc right there. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay. It's my personal opinion here, but I would say that the first one is definitely better. I'm not saying that this one is bad, but I would definitely say the first one tastes better. So let's move on here. We are going to move directly into Borderlands 3. This is the newest release of the series, originally released on the PS4. I mean, you can tell this is definitely tastes the newest out of all of them so far. I got high hopes for this one. So we got the Borderlands 3 disc here. Let's give it a shot. I mean, it's not bad, but it kind of tastes like the first two a little bit. You know what I mean? I was expecting something a little bit better, but once again, I'm not disappointed with this. It's just I thought it would taste a little different than the other two, is all. All right. We are going to move on to it is the non-numbered game in the series. It is Borderlands, the pre-sequel. This one was originally released on the PS3 as well. So we're just going to go ahead and give this one a try. Alright, things are not looking so great for this one here. Let's go ahead and get the disc in there. Oh my. That is easily the worst one. Oh. Oh. Alright. So let's do a palate cleanser after that one as well, so we can get a fresh taste on all of them. Oh. That was terrible. Alright, and then this last one here, I know some people don't really see it as a true entry to the Borderlands series. but by a lot of people it is considered to be canon, so I would be amiss if I didn't add it into the video. So of course the last one we're going to be taste testing here is it definitely tastes different than the rest of them, but I'm not going to say in a bad way. So let's go ahead and try the disc here. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, it's good. It's definitely different, which is good that they finally changed it up for this one. It's good. I mean, I would say between all of these games, I would probably rank them from highest to lowest. So